Hi guys, welcome to this new vlog of the Advent Mystery KAL Cozy Mystery. So I'm the designer Christelle, Tricot Stitch, and I'm happy to host every 2 days a little vlog episode just to share with you the colors that I dyed that are part of my Advent calendar and that I used in my design for Clue 4. So today I'm going to show you color 7 and 8. Yes, 7 and 8. The books that inspired the colorway names, and I'm going to share the summaries as well, and I'm going to show you the clue. Okay, and there is a tutorial for the stitch pattern that I used in that clue that is going to be just after this vlog. Okay, so color 7 is this beautiful purple with hints of red, and it's called Pearls and Poisons. So that's this book by Anne Canadeo again. Again, I think she has the best titles, the best puns, okay? So Pearls and Poison, it's Black Sheep and Company Mystery number 10, okay? And when a fellow black sheep knitter is suspected of poisoning her co-worker, the group puts down their needles and takes up their friend's defense, okay? And the second color for the day is color 8, A Deadly Yarn, and that's by my favorite author in this knitting subgenre, and it's Maggie Sefton. And it's so Knitting Mystery number 3, featuring the same character, Kelly, and this time around it's Kelly and Megan. Could not be happier for their friend Alison Dubois, a young, talented, up-and-coming artist. Invited by a designer to join her New York studio, Alison is about to embark on a new life. But when Kelly and Megan arrive at Alison's apartment to drive her to the airport, they find her dead on the floor, apparently from an overdose of sleeping pills. The police suspect suicide, but Kelly and Megan aren't convinced. Soon, Kelly discovers that while Alison's career was on the fast track, her social life was a mess. Okay, a bad news boyfriend, a jealous design student, and a mysterious man named Brian are all prime suspects in Kelly's book. Now it's up to Kelly and her crafty friends from the House of Lambspin to unravel this tightly stitched puzzle. Okay. As a reminder, I'm actually reading book 1 in the series and I like it very much, okay? So this is the two colors together. I really dig this color combination. This purplish red and this ochre with hints of green and brown. I love it. And here's the clue. So it's the Royal Kilt stitch pattern. And it's a variation of the same technique that we used for Clue 2, so you have only one strand instead of 3. But be careful, the instruction will tell you to slide the yarn with yarn in back or yarn in front. Just be very careful about that if you want to have this beautiful pattern here of slip stitches. So the tutorial is just after this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on Sunday morning to share Clue 5. So Sunday the 10th to share Clue 5. Bye guys!
Dans l'indice numéro 4 du KAL Mystère de l'Avent Cozy Mystery, on a une technique qui ressemble un petit peu à celle qu'on a vue dans l'indice numéro 2, que je vais vous démontrer maintenant, qui va vous permettre de récupérer en fait le fil que vous avez glissé par devant. Faites bien attention dans les indices aux instructions de glisser par devant, avec le fil devant ou avec le fil derrière. C'est très important, il y a les deux. Donc ici, en fait, on veut tricoter ce brin avec 7 mailles pour réaliser le motif en damier. Donc, une fois que j'arrive à la maille indiquée, c'est exactement comme pour le point papillon, sauf que là, je n'ai qu'un brin. Je vais aller le chercher avec l'aiguille de droite et le tricoter avec le brin. Et voilà, comme ceci. Et je continue à tricoter normalement. D'accord? Donc, je recommence. Hop, quand j'arrive ici, voilà. Je vais aller chercher avec mon aiguille de droite le fil par en dessous. Je tricote ensuite ma maille suivante et je fais passer le fil derrière. Et voilà. Et ça nous fait en fait ce motif texturé qui donne comme un damier, en fait. Pas un damier, mais comme un damier. Si, ça ressemble à un damier. Voilà. Comme ceci.